In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI automation in n8n for free, step by step, starting from the dashboard screen. From the n8n dashboard, begin by clicking Personal in the left sidebar. This is where your own assets and workflows live, keeping everything tidy and easy to find later. Next, go to the top right corner and click Create Workflow. This opens the workflow editor, where we'll add the pieces that make your automation run. On the canvas, click the plus button to add your first node. In the search bar that appears, type Manual Trigger and select it. This node lets you start the workflow on demand, which is perfect for testing and demonstrations before you put anything into production. Now click the plus button again to add another node. Search for OpenAI and select it from the results. This node will handle sending your prompt to the AI and returning a response. Inside the OpenAI node, click Create New Credential. When prompted, paste your OpenAI API key. Keep this key private and never share it publicly. Click Save to store the credential securely so you can reuse it in other workflows without re-entering it every time. With credentials set, configure the node. Under Resource, choose Chat, and under Operation, select Create. This tells n8n to create a chat-style completion, which is ideal for conversational prompts and structured outputs. In the Messages section, click Add Message. Set the role to User so the AI treats the content as a message coming from you. In the Content field, enter your AI prompt. Be concise but specific. State what you want, include any constraints, and if needed, provide examples. Clear prompts produce clearer results. When you're ready to try it out, click Execute Workflow. n8n will run the manual trigger, followed by the OpenAI node. Watch the output panel on the right. That's where the AI's response appears. Take a moment to review it. If the output isn't what you expected, refine your prompt in the Content field and run it again until it looks right. Once you're happy with the result, click Save in the top right corner to preserve your configuration. Finally, turn on the active toggle to activate your workflow. This makes the automation available for use beyond testing so you can run it whenever you need. You now have a simple, working AI automation in n8n that you can build on later with additional logic, filters, or integrations. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.